Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see from the title of the video, I wanted to elaborate a little bit on the technical trend which is called a wedge and can be a sign of either a bearish or bullish pattern depending on which way the stock moves and depending on how it is formed. And so I wanted to dive into this and show you guys kind of what it is and what it's all about. Basically what it is it's something that can be used as a signal to spot higher volatility coming in the future. And so basically, depending on which way, once there's congestion in the stock towards the end piece of the wedge, as it gets narrower and narrower, it can tell you basically which way it breaks up or down, which way the volatility might be going. And so I'm going to draw some trend lines here to show you guys. There's a strong, obviously, downtrend in this stock. This is LSI is the symbol. It's Life Storage Inc. And so as you can see, they were in showing quite a downtrend here for quite some time. So there's some strong resistance there. And then also if we draw another trend line showing that these bottoms in the stock of where it kind of slowed down a little bit and stopped moving to the downside. And so as these come together, as you can see, it forms a wedge. And as you can see right here in looks like February, it broke above this upper level trend and seemed like it moved pretty heavily there to the upside. So obviously breaking the upper barrier to this trend that was previously resistance for getting about a half a year now. And so that's where you could see that basically once it breaks this upper barrier that there is a possible move to the upside, which there was, as you can see here. Obviously, if it would have gone the other way and broken this lower barrier that it was starting to create, you could have possibly seen some strong moves to the downside and a continuation of this downtrend. But yeah, guys, it's just a kind of a signal to get you, keep you aware of that the stock could be moving either way. Sometimes this will form before a crucial earnings report, and so it basically will start getting narrower and narrower, and as you get towards forming this wedge, and then once the earnings is released, and it's might be a very good one or very bad one, it can trigger it like this to the upside, or it can go the opposite way and break this lower barrier to the downside. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Tune in next time for more technical analysis videos and fundamental analysis videos.